Alright, we're at the Atomic City Riding Custom Model Car Resource. They sell Johan stuff, and I'm going to show you what all they've got. We're going to start right here first. They also sell kits. And I'm going to give you the contact information too on how to get a hold of these guys. They got great prices on kits. Like the Coronet right there. It's good prices. It looks like they got a lot of stuff that you really can't find too easily too, like all this here. There's some photo etch they sell. Pegasus wheels. Parts by Parts. Those are always nice to have. We're getting ready to get some good stuff here. Here we go. We got this 66 Plymouth Fury 3 convertible. There's the kit right there built up. They sell this 8-foot utility trailer.
This is again a multimedia kit with 3D printed parts, brass axle and tailgate rods, and a laser cut wooden bed.
Oh wow, it looks nice.
And Johan decals by
Okay.
STS. You have plastic or brass options. So the frame, it's like any resin kit, you'll need to use epoxy or cyanoacrylate super glue to assemble it. Let me tell you. And of course the bed hinges.
Oh, okay.
So, and you may have to do it's like any recipe, you have to do a little trimming and stuff, but you can lay the wood slats in there, stain them, paint them whatever color.
That's cool.
And some drilling, of course, will be required for the where you locate the trailer hitch.
Okay.
And you got all that stuff in there too. So the truck we offer has a long bed and a short bed. Let's grab one of them out here. Again, it's a multimedia piece. You have an option of like a Steely type wheel, or this one has a rally wheel on it. So if you want a short bed with Steelies, we can do that, or if you want a short bed with rallies, we can do that. You have the vacuum form windows, have 2 sets, so just in case you have an issue with one, we've got another one in there as a backup for you. We have the multiple grill options, as you can see from the sheet here, and the hood. This bag wasn't sealed, I'd open it up there.
That's okay.
But you got really, really nice detail. This was a 3D master kit, and then of course resin cast. So you've got, like I said, the grill options. In our version that we offer, you have an option. You can do a tubbed bed, or you can do a stock bed.
Oh, okay.
So various 3D printed parts, clear lenses.
Oh, you get a lot in that kit.
Yeah, it comes with quite a bit of stuff. And
so it's basically a complete kit. Tires, wheels, everything.
Yeah, you don't have, it doesn't have a running gear.
Right.
You got to use your own engine and suspension. But the way the chassis is designed with the stock bed and the tub bed and the chassis, you don't have to try to scramble around and modify a chassis.
Okay.
The interior insert up in there is really good too.
That thing's nice.
And this kit was actually done by Jimmy Flintstone, but we have stuff in our version that the other folks that sell it do not have.
Okay.
So we have the tub bed option included, as well as a set of wheels, 3D printed wheels and tires. Would you like to see a long bed also?
It's the exact same, but just long,
the difference
isn't
in
it?
long. Yeah.
Okay.
Now this, most people have a perception of what a resin kit looks like.
Right.
Okay, we just saw what the typical one looks like. This one, which we're debuting here at the Cincinnati Challenge, takes it up a level.
Oh wow. Well, that's slick as glass.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Well, that is nice.
Has you know, the separate sides for the interior, so you can detail those easier. Has a full chassis plate. You know, it's a curbside model, of course, but you've got a lot of the detail that you can do. Vacuum form windows, comes with a top boot and an up top. OGE vinyl white wall tires. The Plymouth styled wheels. Now you do have to drill out the axle holes for those.
Okay.
Brass axles. Front and rear bumpers, as well as a separate taillight panel. Red taillight lenses.
Most of the kit's loaded too.
And good ornament.
Okay.
And as I said, there's the interior sides, the instrument panel, and a top boot.
Okay.
24 pieces total. And again, you know, super glue or epoxy you need to use to assemble it. But if you look at the resolution of the casting on there and how slick it is, I mean, first impression, this looks like it's injection molded.
Yeah, it does. I thought it was.
So this is what we're aiming for. Now we'll have, depending on who we have do work for us, you know, we'll have a you know, future projects will include, you know, things that look typical resin, as well as up to this level.
Okay. Nice.
And you know, we don't announce anything until it's ready to go. We kind of have the motto of product, not promises.
Okay. What's your most popular?
Well, a lot of the different wheel sets that we're doing, like the dually style wheels, and we're doing things like 10-hole butts, but it's all been popular because we have a lot of diorama accessories, so just depends on what people are looking for on a given day a lot of times.
Yeah.
We got
Yeah.
let me show you something here.
Yeah, I did do.
Semi wheels.
How you doing? Sorry.
This is what we just got too. This is a dually set.
Okay.
These run about $18 roughly.
Okay.
But we got, this is a new style we got, some like off-road style tires.
Of course, you got some old kits.
Oh yeah. Yeah, in our store we try to stock a range of anywhere from vintage kits, promos, new items, aftermarket. This is only just a small portion of what we stock.
You got stickers.
And the CUDA, this is, these are OG kits.
What do you mean by OG?
Original, I guess to use the urban phrase, original gangster, but these are all kits that are from original Johan parts.
Okay, that's the Mustang Funny car.
Mustang Funny car.
Okay.
The CUDA, this is what our last, down to our last
We got
one.
like 4 cuties left.
Yeah,
We got an orange and white.
yeah. Yeah, here it is. We got like, here's one that's in white.
Oh, okay.
We offer like a set of our 3D rally wheels and original chrome, and we got, you know, there's vinyl tires in here. These are pretty much complete, aren't they?
Some of them are missing the bumpers, but the bounce of the chrome is there.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
like I say, these are getting down to the last of the line on these.
Will you have more of them once they're gone?
No,
That's it?
that's
Okay.
it. Yeah,
All right. So people need to get them while they can.
that's it. And then we have a number of
He's lost his vendor lanyards.
we have a number of promos. We actually were fortunate enough to get a hold of a collection from a private individual estate up in Detroit about a year ago. So we've been liquidating a lot of that. You know, we're getting down to what's left of those, but still a lot of good items.
Yeah.
I guess we had, oh golly, we probably had nearly 1,000 promos that we got out of that collection.
Yeah, send me a message.
Those are some of the Excel issues there. And we've got,
Now, when I get over there, I'll probably.
these are leftover original. '75 Olds cutlasses.
Okay, yeah.
So once these are gone, that's pretty much the end of the line of these two. These are, for the most part, complete. Looks like we don't have tires for all these, but that's easy enough to come
Yeah,
up with.
everyone's got tires.
Plus, you know, tires that get that old, a lot of them are dried out and
Yeah.
cracked and split and everything
Yep.
else. So,
Okay. And what else? You got some T-shirts?
got T-shirts. We're running a special at the show here today. All of our T-shirts. Let me.
Water fountain. For the kids or the bathroom segment.
Oh, okay.
It's like that.
We have
Had it
our
upside down.
we have our popular.
The number I have for you.
If you look at the back, it says, "Hey, it's a Johan."
Popular. Hey, it's a Johan shirt.
It does say that. All right.
Yeah, I'm surprised we haven't had
Hey,
somebody
how'd you
around
know? You got one?
Yeah.
All righty.
I don't have a Johan shirt.
Well, cool. You guys got some nice stuff.
Size.
Here's how you get a hold of them if you want anything, guys. Atomic City Riding Custom Model Car Resource. Follow them on Facebook. And there's the address. You guys have a website?
Not yet.
Under-
It's under development, but the best way, if you want to reach us at the store, send us a message through Facebook, and we'll get back with you just as quick as we can. Usually, if it's during the week, it could be, you know, we try to get to them just right away. If it's a Monday or Tuesday, we're closed, but we'll get back to you just as quick as we can.
All righty. Sounds good.
Oh, also, if you come by and visit the store,
Where's your store at?
it's at 1972 Woodman Center Drive in Kettering, Ohio. That's on the south side of Dayton.
Okay.
Easy access off of I-675. Not only do we have a full range of new out of production kits, in the back of the store we have our boneyard full of parts, pieces. If you're looking for items to you know, replace on a kit that's missing, we have a lot of parts kits, out of production kits, rebuilders, a little bit of everything.
Okay. Sounds
You're
good.
more conservative.
One
with
of
your
our
money.
new customers stopped in the other day and described it, said this is better than going to Disneyland.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
To go through my
Funny
stuff
story for you.
right now.
I got a bunch of the Mustang Funny Car body kits. There's chassis. They got all kinds of, and they keep coming up with more stuff. You guys got to get a hold of them and see what they got. Keep that address and saved, and get a hold of them all the time and see what all new stuff they got.